What if Mount Vesuvius never erupted in 79 AD, leaving Pompeii to flourish as the Mediterranean's greatest trade empire? The city would have completed its massive harbor expansion, creating docks that could handle ships from across the known world. Within decades, Pompeii's banking houses would rival those in Rome itself. The gladiatorial games would grow into the empire's second largest entertainment center, drawing crowds from Egypt to Britain. By the medieval period, Pompeii could have become Europe's financial capital, with trade routes flowing through its bustling ports. Christianity might have spread along entirely different paths, carried by Pompeian merchants instead of Roman soldiers. The preserved Roman artistic techniques would never have been lost, potentially triggering a renaissance 5 centuries early. Without that frozen snapshot of Roman life buried in ash, modern archaeology would be completely different. We might never have understood how ordinary Romans actually lived. One volcanic eruption changed the course of Western civilization forever.